In this video, you'll learn how to change the quantity of items available for sale on eBay. This tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure your inventory is accurately reflected in your listings. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Active Listings section located in your seller dashboard. This section displays all your current listings. Identify the specific item listing for which you wish to adjust the quantity. To proceed, click on the title of that listing, which will direct you to the product management page where you can edit various details about the item. Once the listing editor is open, look for the quantity field. This field typically displays the current number of items available for sale. Carefully update this field to reflect the actual stock you have on hand. It is crucial to ensure that the quantity you enter matches your inventory to prevent overselling or encountering order fulfillment issues. After you've made the necessary changes to the quantity, take a moment to review the rest of the listing details. This is an important step to confirm that all information is accurate and up to date. Once you are satisfied with the changes, locate and click the Save or Update Listing button. This action will apply the changes you made to the quantity. Following the saving process, the new quantity will become visible to potential buyers viewing your listing. It is advisable to periodically check your listings to ensure that the quantities remain accurate, especially if your inventory changes frequently. Additionally, consider the impact of your internet speed on the upload time for any changes made, as slower connections may delay the update process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.